So, we're on Big Thunder Mountain, and it's broke down. And they've turned the lights on. And they're getting ready to walk us off the ride. So, should be fun.
Sweetheart, can I have you sit down for me, please? Sit.
That's the crew. That's the Big Thunder team. They're coming down. They're going to lock the wheels there. Probably can't tell. And then they're going to let us get off and walk home. So that took about a minute. And now the Big Thunder team, you can see them leaving up there. And now those two people are going to rescue us. I think, no wait, they're leaving too. So now I don't know what. I do know that the tires are locked in there somehow. The wheels. No tires, it's a train. Yeah. And then security came. You can't really see him there, but he's behind that guy. He wears a badge. Here comes a few more.
What was that?
So they're slowly getting people off the train, you see.
Your door stayed open and they were concerned like guys, this will never happen. That was close. You get to see them. Hi, how are you?
Pretty soon it's going to be us. Wait, she's going to save us. That girl right there, Monica.
You too, bye.
Wait, where are they going?
Alright, friends, go ahead and push that platform.
I'm sorry about that, guys. Alrighty, stand up. Stay seated for me, please.
Did you tell me that?
No, you're.
Oh, okay. Yep. So we're going to walk up to where the explosion happens. It should be kind of fun. There's the train being emptied. Some people are scared to get out. Hopefully they'll get okay. Anyway. And then up we go.
There's nothing we really can do.
Oh, it's just too dark in here. But I got my hand on some of the tools. Look, there's the saw. Okay, the people way in the last car, since they were around the bend, they have to climb down a ladder to get up on the side. See that? So it's taking extra long. Okay, they just said it's clear. So we're beginning our long journey out. We're going through the mine shaft that normally explodes. And hoping it doesn't explode, right, while we're up there. Yes. That's how they tied it. It's just, oh, you can't see. It's just a big, you know.
Lie down.
Yeah. What's the other word, though?
Look at me. What are we doing?
By the way, don't step there. Down in there.
Wow.
That's the guts.
We got probably 3 times.